An aquatic mechanical design presentation.
Hello, my name is Michael Chaffee from Aquatic Mechanical Design, and this video segment is going to explain what is intended in our design proposal quotation. Our objective in developing your plans is for the submission of your building permit. Our focus is to clearly and concisely exhibit the code-compliant intentions for the construction, so that the plans and specifications shall allow the local building officials to easily verify that the plans and specs meet the codes, guidelines, ordinances, and local regulations. Gaining approval is the first hurdle, and it necessitates collaborating your property's officially recognized plot plan information, such as the property line dimensions, public utility easements, building setbacks, and other possible space use restrictions, with what is being proposed as the intended pool location. Our request of your property's records is a crucial step in predetermining what shall be allowed as the pool's location, as well as becoming aware of other possible construction conflicts. As the gears of plans and specifications begin to intermesh and approval is gained, the forward momentum to progress allows a good set of plans to move forward with the solicitation process of strong commitments. Hard estimates are what come from strong plans and specs, together with the assurances that you'll always have a resource that keeps the check and balance of a commitment in line with the measuring device. Our measuring device starts with an organized index listing of each plan sheet. There is a 1 through 73 numeric assignment for each title-specific sheet, which describes what information is being exhibited on each sheet, and a checkbox that identifies if a specific sheet shall pertain to your project's planning efforts. This plan sheet index is exhibited on our P1 cover sheet and acts as the guide to the installation information for the many item-specific components, such as skimmers, main drains, lights, and other pieces of equipment. The identity of the many different pool components are assigned a plan symbol on our P5 plan legend and symbol index sheet. This is where an item is issued a 1 through 64 numeric identity, and again, the ones being pertinent are indicated with a checkbox that shall make them inclusive as part of the design work scope. These well-thought-out preparations and planning allow for a plan review and an installation to take place by the numbers. And having been involved with not just designing swimming pools for generations, but also having constructed them for many years, we understand the importance of legible and decipherable planning intentions. Depending upon which level of planning you have chosen, either permit-ready or owner-builder, our proposal quotation will outline the sheets and details that are to be made inclusive, which will expand upon the deeper meanings. Our permit-ready level cuts to the chase and conveys just the information that is required for submitting for a building permit, whereas the owner-builder level of planning delves more into the product selections, installation techniques, manufacturer protocols, and O&M procedures. So we hope that this helps to provide you a clearer picture for the different levels of service we offer and what can be expected from our design efforts. If you have any further questions or would like to engage the design process with us, please give us a call at 1-800-766-5259 and we will be happy to get things started. And thank you for listening.